So this video is for architects and design firms, and it's just meant to give an intro into what we're up to here at the new Highland Collective. There are so many different things happening in this building that I thought just showing it in a video might be better than trying to describe it in an email. So we're going to cover three things in hopefully about 4 minutes. First is the artist collective we run, second is our fabrication shop, and third is our furniture and home decor business. For people who don't know anything about what we do, it probably makes sense to start with how this came to be. And the gist of that story is that the developer of the ACC Highland campus, Red Leaf Properties, had this amazing building available for a few years and asked us if we could turn it into something interesting. So the basic deal is we get a great rental rate and they get a space that helps make the neighborhood and their development a little bit more interesting. So first up, in terms of what we have going on here, is the Artist Collective, or Highland Collective as we're calling it. And more than anything, the goal for this space is just to be able to work with great people to make beautiful things. And somehow, in just the 5 short months that we've been here, that's already happening. We have some super talented people doing everything from paintings to outdoor installations to gigantic sculptures using all different materials. And these artists and makers all operate autonomously, but they're also handpicked for their complementary skill sets so that we can build things together when the conditions are right. So we've got metalwork, wood, a bunch of different disciplines. And honestly, we could talk a lot more about that, but we have more to cover. So next up is the Fab Shop. We call this company Austin Custom CNC, and it's built from the ground up to just be a streamlined, well-oiled CNC shop that can handle complex production runs in wood, aluminum, plastics, composites, all that stuff. We do a lot of custom furniture, signs, retail cabinets, even some really cool stuff for climbing gyms. And our premise for this company is to simply be well run and treat everyone ethically. It sounds like a low bar, but in practice, this just means that we have processes and systems that keep our machines running and our projects on schedule. We very rarely blow budgets, we don't forget things, and we're also super transparent and straightforward about the business side of things. And then finally, we have a furniture and home decor business called Studiometric. This is our long-term game. This is what we want to be doing and spending most of our time doing in the long run, just creating new products. Right now, we're only putting something out new that's maybe once a month or so. Our flagship products are this very customizable Mesa desk and the Zenos chair, but everything's available to view and purchase on our website. And of course, we can do custom work through this as well. Our specialty is this stacked slice layered construction technique that uses Baltic birch to build up the bulk of a piece and then allows us to layer in hardwoods and exotic laminates to create a bunch of different looks. What's great about this is that it means it's super easy for us to customize each piece with different color schemes or finishes. We're so into this idea actually that we even built out a materials room just to display the dozens of different treatments we can apply to these products. It's part of our larger showroom, and anyone's welcome to visit. Please come. Right now, since we're all very new at all of this, we are just eager to talk to folks who've got thoughts on how we can make the most of these very cool raw ingredients. That's it. Thanks for watching.